young. I said young. Young motherfucker. Eli back in the motherfucking building, y'all. Got another reaction for y'all. This boy Duke getting girls' numbers with a flip phone, bro. Let's just get into it. If y'all haven't watched, bro, go check out my Uzi Eternal Take 2 album reaction, bro. Let's get it. You know, it was a lit video. Your boy was geeked. Boy was super geeked.
Hey, I'm on my way to Phoenix. This low-key might be the last video of the year. So let's go out with a real banger, man. 100,000 likes in the first 24 hours. First day, 100,000 likes. Make sure y'all subscribe too, cause we grinding for 3 million, and I know we gonna get it, cause we've been going crazy. Listen, bro, Phoenix is probably my favorite city.
Damn,
I'm gonna tell you why. As soon as I landed, bro, I checked my Instagram. Every single person in Phoenix hit me up, it seemed like. All the women hit me up.
For real?
Niggas hit me up telling me the food places, where to go, where to be, the places to be, and things of that nature.
Word.
Hell, a nigga even, one nigga sent me 20 Arizona bitches. Like, bro, that nigga did not have to do that, bro. Like, you didn't have to do that, bro. But you did that at the kindness of your heart, and like, bro, like, it be little shit like that that I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? Cause like, bro, that's some real nigga shit, you know what I'm saying? But like, nigga sent me a list of goddamn 20, 30 Arizona hoes. Not that I'ma use it. Flight, and as soon as I landed, I got like a homie vibe. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, like I got a homie vibe. I was putting on my hoodie while on the flight, and an old bald man beside me, he sitting beside me. He seen me struggling. He say, sir, he tapped me. He say, sir, do you need me to pull the hoodie down? Cause it's rolled up in the back. I say, you know what, sir? Thank you very much. Like, I love you. I ain't tell him that, but I just want to think in my head because he was a nice fucking guy. Build me a little house, you know what I'm saying, forever home. I want a modern home, you know, some futuristic shit, like modern home. The block houses, maybe I'm gonna get, like, I might have my shit like white and black, have me a black ghost parked out front, have a motherfucking G-Wagon parked out front, a white G-Wagon though, because I already got the black ghost. Then I have a Jeep in the garage, then I might throw a lamp on it. What you think?
It's only lamb.
Oh,
I swear to God,
you've been here for 5 minutes.
Hey, I didn't do this though. I didn't do this. I'm innocent as fuck. Oh, I think I just pushed it off the motherfucking hinges. Type shit. I was just trying to close the door and shit.
You too.
I'm gonna be the head tilt like that.
My bad for the lighting, y'all. By the way, my bad. I'm trying to, you know, I said this is a process.
My phone did like that right there. Boom. I seen it out my peripheral. Like, my phone did that.
You heard that?
Nah.
Like, he's so
Hot. That's a Disney channel right there.
Yo, dude! Hey, yo, let me get a picture. No, dead.
Can we get a picture?
I watch you, bro. What the? No, oh, what the fuck? No way, dude, Dennis. No.
Where your phone at? Where your phone? Disney channel.
Dennis!
Hey, your best video is 24 hours in Miami, bro. That shit was hella
good. Yeah. It's Phoenix, right?
Yeah.
I gotta get a hoe, cause like I can't.
Bro, what the fuck are you talking about, bro?
Hey, bro, you're the risk king, bro. Come on, bro. You gotta tell us.
Nah.
How do I get a hoe?
Well, y'all handsome niggas, bro. Well, not niggas, but like y'all from, you know what I'm saying? Like,
I didn't mean to blow up your spot like that. I really did. I'm really sorry. What are you doing out here though? Did you go to Old Town?
I'm going.
Are you going?
Why you so cheesy? Why you smiling so hard?
Because you're so hot, bro. You are. He's so cheesy.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 24.
Really?
Yeah.
Why didn't you get your number or something, man?
What?
Something.
How old are you? I don't even know how old you are. A lot of flip phones. Wait, why?
Bro,
This is not your phone.
bro, look.
Shoot up.
Bro, it is my phone. Where is it? What?
No. Where are you going tonight, though?
I'm going to Old Town, though. You going?
I live here, yeah.
You going to Old Town? What time should I go?
Like 10.
10? Yeah. Check, man. Make sure, man.
It's not even 7.
Bro, my phone ain't working, bro. Hold on. I got you, bro. I got you. Don't trip. This shit say connected. Oh, it say your line busy, bro. Damn, why my shit ain't working? How y'all doing, man? How y'all?
Yeah. Have a good day.
Y'all too, man. Y'all let me know which city or state I should go do a 24-hour video next. Waleed saying Toronto, but I don't know. I might take y'all word over Waleed. So y'all let me know which city. Comment your city, man. If y'all live in Rhode Island, let me know, because I might choose that. Oh, shit. You the only black person on that team. Hey, what's going on,
This guy thinks the earth is flat. Huh? He thinks the earth is flat.
That's his business, though.
Hey, y'all really think the earth is flat or y'all think the earth is round, bro? Comment down below, because whoever motherfucking think the earth is flat, bro, we gonna have a topper.
I ain't seen a single black person yet, but hey, fuck it. Where are the
what? The white people or black people?
Black. Yeah. Where do I find them?
Pretty please.
Huh?
Pretty please.
Where is it?
Or I heard that they come out on Sundays also.
Hey.
I'm serious. I heard they come out on Sundays.
Okay, so I'm not here on the wrong night.
Wrong night. If you come out on Sundays, it's gonna be a lot more.
So it's on y'all right now. That's fine. That's cool.
Go to Pretty Please.
Hey, Dave.
I heard they come out on.
What?
Black people come out on Sunday.
I ain't gonna lie to you, yo.
We party on Saturdays, that's what we do.
So good, my dog. Hey, why the black people?
Yo, I made a whole video on my Instagram, bro. They don't be going for niggas out here like that.
What, the white girls?
Yeah, the black girls, they don't really be going for niggas out here like that. What's up, dude?
What's going on, bro?
Can I get a picture with you, man?
Phoenix, Arizona is cool, but unfortunately they lack color. Hey, I'm doing good. Y'all the first black people I done seen the whole.
Hold on. Hey. No cap, bro. If I seen a shorty like that walk up to me, bro, hold on. Shorty walk up to me like that, I'm like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what's good, mama? What we doing? What you trying to do? You know, I'm like, hey, look, I got a crib down the street. Yo, if you trying to kick it, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? No,
I believe it. I know niggas.
Why you didn't tell me that?
Sorry.
Where you about to go right now?
What you about to do?
I don't think I got the number.
That's what I was telling them.
Oh, here you go. Hold on. I just bought it.
What you about to do?
I don't think I got the number.
That's what I was telling them.
Oh, here you go. Hold on. I just bought it, so I gotta learn how to work this motherfucker. Yeah. You know how to work this? I think you gotta hold the numbers like when you.
I'm calling somebody. I don't know.
Okay, yeah, I ain't put nobody number in there yet, so I don't know how to use it. Huh? Just trying to simple shit. That motherfucker work though. Yeah. It's starting to come out, man. Huh?
I'll be interpreted. What's it for? What's the video for?
We're doing
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt the video.
Oh, now you good. So look, we from Rhode Island.
Okay.
Okay. And we just came down to where we at, Scottsdale.
Yeah. You're Roll Tide.
Oh yes, ma'am. You should get one. You look really good in one. Now,
You look good in it. You look good.
Really?
With it, yeah.
Thank you very much. But listen, we doing a survey
Okay.
on the ratio of.
Oh, I got this. I'm ready. No, you gotta listen to what the survey is about. Just question me. What's your survey about?
The survey is about like the like type shit.
Yeah, I know.
Right.
Okay.
Like I've been searching, I've been looking, I haven't seen not one.
The wet pizza.
Is that for men?
Yeah. Oh, Okay, business black.
Your best friend?
Yeah.
Right.
You. Like
My bling.
shining.
Right.
That's her
That
man.
is like shining.
Right.
You said $100.
Hey, if that's her man, woo! Boy, she be walking back in the rain, boy. She be walking about, I'm talking about, bro, she'll be walking with the ants back to her crib.
You're blinging. You're
Right.
blinging.
Okay.
You got your grill.
Yeah,
You got your chains.
okay. Yeah, I think y'all boyfriend just left y'all.
Yeah, they did. They did. Well, they're good. They're good.
Wait, hold on. I thought, like, I know other shorty on the left of her has a boyfriend, but right here, the shorty that was glazing Duke for like the past like 5-10 minutes, she has a man's too.
Good. No, we don't care about them. We'll find our way back to them. They're good. They're good.
Y'all listen to country music?
Yeah.
I bet the fuck you do.
I promise you will find them. You will. You will.
Thank you very much for doing my survey with you. This is Rhode Island News, Channel 17.
Renee.
And there you go. Hey, that's a wrap, ladies and gentlemen. And we out. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
They out here now.
Yeah,
Count. That's the fourth one I done seen. And who's counting?
Yeah.
Hey, I need to get your number. I ain't never get it.
Pull that bitch
What-
fast.
what you-
Hell,
Wait, what the fuck is that?
Wait,
You have a Motorola.
it's not a fucking Motorola.
Motorola Razr. I have that. That's my first one.
This your first phone?
No.
Oh yeah, nah. But what you trying to play my phone for though? You trying to play my phone like? Ah, that's cool. Alright, I got you.
Bro, you have me.
What you mean? What is that? Wait, hold on, man. What the fuck you mean? What is that, man?
I didn't say that.
Oh yeah, I'm doing the vlog. My bad. Damn, what? You don't want to be in my vlog?
I'll be in the corner.
You'll be in my vlog?
Nah, I'm just playing on you too.
Oh, yeah.
No, but for real, come here. Let me get you for a second. Let me get him for a second. Listen, come here.
Cameraman, look.
He is. I'm for real. Listen, I wasn't all up in your mouth like that, but your ass gets a I'm wow. That's what I'm saying, so.
Wait. Let me get your number.
Let me see. Why?
Fuck no.
No, stop.
The fuck you got?
My
I
bad,
didn't
I'm so
expect
sorry.
that. Come on.
Yeah, just yeah.
You want to track for them so they ain't gonna track you? Go back. I don't know.
Bro, ain't no way you
I'm
just
trying to be respectful.
Yeah, just like type in the number and shit like that.
Okay.
Just type it in. Yeah, you typing it. You typing.
Don't be taking pictures.
You typing the fuck out there. Yeah.
Call it, so I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
The Lambo?
I'm calling.
Oh my God.
Bingo!
Alright, nah, my bad.
Yeah.
It's the exclusive behind the scenes y'all don't need to see.
What he
You
say?
drunk, nigga.
What the fuck is this thing even talking about?
Hey, my fault. Hey,
Let's do it. Hey, Davo, take this flick for bro. Get this one for the league.
nigga, don't I a cameraman?
Nah, I got you.
I got
He
you,
play
bro.
with you,
I got you, If they come out blurry, bro, I'm drunk.
Alright, it's all good.
You know what? Hold on.
But this nigga Davo on some motherfucking.
I knew, hey, I knew
Oh.
taking her.
Shut up. What do you say?
Bro, this nigga so tender, bro.
Already know it.
That shit is insane, bro. This nigga out there hooping with.
Shut up, nigga. You ain't Tupac, nigga.
Bro, what the
You trying to have
fuck
a
is you
do-rag on like
doing,
you
bro?
Tupac.
What are you doing hooping with? You can't even hoop. That's the thing, bro. You can't even hoop, my nigga. I've never hooped with Davo. Ever.
Look up my Davo.
Ever.
Nigga
And
loving basketball.
the first thing this nigga do is take a bitch to the basketball.
Hey, Duke, bro. I challenge you to a 1v1, bro. I'm the best hooper on YouTube, bro. Everybody, I'm announcing this to everybody, bro. I'm the best hooper on YouTube, bro. I promise you, bro.
Hey, this shit nigga super bitches, bro. This nigga know damn well he do not hoop ever. First thing he do is take the bitch to the basketball court.
You had too much tonight? I can tell.
I need the real.
Why are you giving me a proper headache? I need an offer drop to me.
How you doing? You doing all right?
If not, you don't get it.
I definitely.
I'm sorry.
Let me get your number.
You see how easy I got so much number. I'm only back to touch you. I'm about to say, well, shit. What else?
Why are you looking at my phone like that?
TCL was in this.
The brand is irrelevant.
How updated is this? Like,
My shit works.
how updated? Like, it's new? How new is this? How do I put my number in this?
Start, yeah.
I want to be on the iPhone, not the flip phone. 2019. She did the real number. Where's the iPhone? I know you got like 2 of them.
What's wrong with the flip phone?
I don't want to be on the flip phone.
No. You not gonna be the one using
I
it.
tell these niggas, shut up.
Bro, I make plays with this motherfucker. You see a motherfucker ringing though.
It's not a camera up here.
You can't
You can't
Why?
get up
What the?
here. Wait.
Hold on, I'm gonna take one of
Why are you looking at me and telling me? You said oh yeah, what? Okay. There we go. Okay, no, chill. What do you mean?
What is that?
Just do like a. You just gotta do it once. Come on, I'll leave you alone. Type shit. It's just once. Like it's just a little. You're like when you see someone, you're like. It's not gay. Wait, why did you bring gay into it? Now he's so sussed out. It's just me. I'm like no, for real. I'm like no, I'm going.
Okay, hold on. You do it. Do it.
Dude, go Ash.
Hey, wait, don't she look like a movie actor, bro? Hold on, bro. Hold on. Don't she look like a movie actor? Yo, y'all know who I'm talking about, bro? She look like, that girl. Oh, like, y'all know who I'm talking about, though. Like, y'all know who I'm talking about.
Dude, go Ash. Go, Victoria.
You do it.
He's a little nervous.
Oh!
You watch Disney Channel?
No.
Yeah, me neither.
No.
No, I've never. What the fuck is Disney Channel? I've never seen.
I'm so beyond that.
What is Disney Channel? You watch Disney Channel? Like certified weird.
And that'd be a good look for people.
What?
Cut this fucking camera off right now. They fucking creep me out. Honey, that was y'all perfect time to say.
He's right behind me.
Wait, he set that shit up. No way, because he knows. That's why he came up with it.
I don't want to be in this shit. I don't want to. That was y'all perfect chance to say it, but y'all gotta listen.
Dude, he's right behind me, isn't he?
Nah, I just want to see what y'all gonna say. I'm never gonna forget the nigga Dabo actually took a bitch outside to hoop. No, he can't hoop.
I did what? What you saying?
What? We're not ready.
No, hold on.
That nigga ain't shit.
Hey, in front of the,
That nigga ain't shit. Fuck that.
hey, in front of the hall.
This one for you. Victoria, come here.
In front of the hall, bro. Niggas be doing too much.
Wait, like what?
It's cold as fuck out here though. Hey, Willie, you saw that shit? In front of the hall,
You got D-Block in too.
Oh yeah, my dog.
I know what's going on.
Got a Magic jersey on. A Magic jersey on here.
Hey, dude.
Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good. We like experimenting with Phoenix and shit, trying to find like beautiful black people like y'all.
Oh, I like your sweater.
Thank you.
It looks so warm.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like the black cups, like Pretty Please, or like 1111.
Where y'all going?
Yeah, we were gonna get some food.
Right.
Where are you going?
I mean, I'm going wherever the black people at. So I guess
Yeah, Pretty Please.
it be lit.
Oh, it'd be so
It is very late. It's just like when it gets later, like around 12:30. That's when it starts
Damn.
getting popular. No, it gets lit in there for real. But I don't know about a Sunday. I don't know. It's up to you.
You don't go out much?
We homebodies.
Homebodies.
Yeah, we homebodies.
Okay.
Are
Type
you
shit.
gonna be in there?
I think so.
I'm gonna be sad if I don't see you. Let me know if you.
As a matter of fact, let me just get your number or something. Wait. Damn.
What's your friend's name? They just over here not talking. What? This is crazy. You are.
Not the flip phone.
Not the burner phone.
Hey.
What is wrong? I'm just trying to take it back to simpler shit. What is wrong with this?
Damn well. You're not gonna get me off that.
Not the flip phone.
You're not.
Is something wrong with this? Something wrong with this for real?
Nah, I feel like you dressed a little bit too bougie to have a flip phone.
Yeah,
Like I'm bullshitting? So you wouldn't give me your number with this motherfucker right here?
It seemed like you hiding a whole.
Like I got a bitch or something.
Yeah, for real. I'm like, that's
I can respect that right there.
Yeah.
I can respect that right there. Now,
Hey, look at her.
I was just seeing if you was gonna give it to me though. But you made a valid point. I might be hiding like I'm in a relationship or something. They wasn't fucking with me just.
Can I take a picture with you, please?
Yeah.
I don't even have my fucking phone on.
Bro, how the fuck do you not have your phone on you?
What we call her is a roller.
Are you one of them people who can't eat until they smoke?
No, I can eat before I smoke.
Oh, there's some crackhead ass shit.
What table y'all finna go to right now?
Shit, everybody been saying pretty please and shit. That where you going?
Nah, I got my brother-in-law Drew got a table at Riot right now.
Damn, you should have pulled up to my shit. We could have had a blast. Word.
But,
Okay.
yeah, hey, if you want to, I can let
I'm
you know.
invited to your shit.
You want to go? We can come right now.
I'm doing the experiment.
I know, but
I'm trying to find the black
later
people.
then.
I'm trying to find the black people, and I ain't doing a good job.
I mean, my boyfriend Roy, he black.
He black?
Bro, first it was the two shorties in the beginning. Now it's her. I feel like every girl he talked to, bro, got a man's and they don't care, bro. I read this one thing on Twitter. It was like, bro, like, it's not your girl, it's just your turn, bro. Is that really true, though? Like, is that really true, y'all? Like,
Hey, tell that nigga Roy he a real ass nigga. Well, shit. Hey, man, look, enjoy yourself and shit. Appreciate everything.
Hey,
Of course, yes,
every girl's
ma'am.
going, though.
You got big things coming? I got big things coming?
We got big
Big
things.
things coming. Hey!
Say less. Okay. You have a good night, man.
Bro.
Damn.
Oh my God.
I like how she included me in her manifestation. I fuck with it.
Hey,
Came up to take a photo and forgot.
And forgot. But that's a real nigga though. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, listen, man. Thank y'all for you know, helping me to open up my very first.
Hey, I like those heels. And I like those toes. I don't even like to suck toes, but I suck yours.
the guy,
Toes in my mouth right now.
white neck like a mix of. Okay, don't do it. Hey, he looked like a mix of Kevin Hart and the guy that said Wakanda forever. Boom, boom, like that guy, bro. That's who he looked like.
I'm just joking, bro. Relax.
I get that.
Everybody is nice. Everybody is nice. All right.
This nigga said, I don't lick toes, but I'll lick yours. That's count. Right. All of this because a nigga wanted to suck her toes. Hey, look, bro. I done opened up my own goddamn. This nigga just gave me some good ass sliders, bro. And some good ass wings, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Please talk.
Hey, look, bro, look. I watched you, man, come up.
Oh, what?
Yes, sir.
Hey, look. And guess what? If this shit was ass, I'll let you know. This is some good ass shit, bro. Boy, doing shit like this to make a nigga real upset. It'll make a nigga real upset. Like, bro, who the fuck does nigga think he is? Who the fuck does nigga really think he is? I don't think I'm nobody. Hey, chill out.
I've been peeping shit all night.
My shit?
Yeah.
I be like on some low key shit. Where y'all going?
You have somebody go after, but
Oh, my bad. This none of my business. Well, shit.
what you got to do?
I'm probably just finna head back to my B&B and shit. Chill out. Nice meeting y'all, man. Wherever y'all about to go, be safe. That's the #1 thing.
You want us to go there?
And guess what? Come on, man. Look, that's why I stay in my own lane, bro. Mind my own business, bro. Cause guess what? That mean a nigga has nothing to do with me. I don't talk to niggas. I don't fuck with niggas. I stay in my own circle, bro. I only talk to Davo, bro. Any nigga after that, bro, you don't know me. You know why? Cause I be in my own. I don't even be on the scene.
Dude, if you can't fit through that door, I'm not coming outside.
Ass. You ain't gonna make it. You ain't gonna make it that one.
Oh man.
Right.
No, it's the angle, but it's not the angle.
Alright.
Oh, I thought you.
Come on, Christina, lock in. It's over there. That's crazy.
I can leave something.
That's you.
Why the fuck is y'all turning up to this right now?
Yeah.
Y'all is tweaking. Y'all ass is tweaking right now. Bro, there's no way I invited the hoe. So they can listen.
I can be real good. Please don't get in your feelings. Bro, there's no way this shit sounds so real. You cannot convince me. He mad as shit. Bro. Fly guy.
Me? That's fuck. That's fuck too. Look.
With the flip phone. Hold on. Flick up with the phone real quick.
That's a date.
Oh.
She got a fire tattoo. Okay.
Oh, it's in the back.
Put your number in it right now.
I'm reading it right now.
Put your number in it right now. Fuck it. See, look.
How do you even use it though?
Look. Put your number in.
Not you having a voicemail. Oh, okay. Put it right
Put your number in there. Put your number in there right now.
Call it. It's gonna work.
Call your shit.
It's gonna ring.
Hello?
Yo. And what am I calling you on? Like what device am I on? What you mean? I'm on an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And I'm gonna FaceTime you later and shit. I bet. Alright. Listen, make sure y'all subscribe. Hey, T. Hey. Subscribe, nigga. 3 million. 3 million is over.
How much you said? 3 million is 3 million. That nigga know he getting 3 views. That's 3 views. Maybe 300,000.
Y'all hit us? What? What? Y'all hit her? 3 million. Can y'all hit her?
Make sure y'all share, like, comment,
Hey, do y'all hear how motherfuckers be hate? Hey, y'all show these motherfuckers talking about them 3 views. We finna get 3 views in 0.5 milliseconds. Cause I love y'all. I adore y'all. You know what I'm saying? I do anything for y'all.
She said you don't get 300,000 subs. That's what she said.
Listen, I love y'all. I adore y'all. I will do anything for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Okay. That was lit. You know? That was lit. I feel like hey. Okay, this is my 2 cents on this. You feel me? Like, I feel like first of all, every girl that he's spoken to, bro, in that vid, bro, got a mans. The man's watching the vid. And while the vid was happening, like in real time, the mans was hitting her up, talking about shorty, like, where you at? Like, I got a table, or I thought we was finna go somewhere. No, bro, they hanging with bro. They hanging with Duke, bro. This is crazy. Hey, but look, if y'all single, and I'm single, let's give it. No. As I said, it's a cold world out there. No cap. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, as I said, who I should react to, what vid I should react to, type shit. You feel me? I'm out of here.